Let's be honest, ebook formatting can be a nightmare if you're not a designer. Getting the layout right, balancing text and visuals, and making it look clean on every device usually takes hours. Or expensive freelancers. But with EbookWriter AI, you can format a professional-looking ebook in just minutes, even if you've never designed anything before. Here's how it works. Once you've generated your content using EbookWriter AI, the built-in formatting tools automatically organize your chapters, headings, and spacing for a clean, modern look. You can adjust fonts, layout styles, and margins. No coding or design skills needed. You can also choose from pre-built ebook templates that instantly give your project a professional feel, perfect for Amazon KDP, your website, or lead magnets. The best part, you don't have to pay for designers or spend hours trying to make your book look right. EbookWriter AI does it for you, fast, consistent, and ready to publish. If you want to create polished, professional ebooks without the stress or cost of hiring help, click the link in the description and start formatting your ebook with EbookWriter AI today.